What if today was the day you finally said, enough is enough? What if, instead of letting fear or procrastination hold you back, you took one bold step toward the life you've always dreamed of? Every single person on this planet has an untapped reservoir of potential. It doesn't matter where you come from, what your circumstances are, or how many times you've failed. The truth is, the only thing standing between you and success is your willingness to take action. Today, I want to help you see that your greatest dreams aren't out of reach. They're closer than you think, and the power to achieve them has always been within you. Do me a favor and stay tuned to the end of this video as I share my wisdom with you. 1. The reality. Why most people never reach their potential. Let's start with a harsh truth. Most people live their entire lives far below their potential. Not because they lack talent, intelligence, or ambition, but because they let fear, doubt, and routine dictate their choices. Research shows that humans are creatures of habit. According to a study published in Nature Communications, nearly 91% of our daily actions are governed by routines we barely think about. If those routines aren't aligned with our goals, they can slowly erode our dreams. Think about it. How often do you find yourself saying, "I'll do it tomorrow"? Whether it's starting a new project, working on your health, or reaching out to someone who inspires you, the fear of failure and discomfort keeps us stuck. But here's the thing. Growth begins where your comfort zone ends. Second journey to transformation. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah grew up full of dreams. She wanted to start a business, write a book, and travel to places most people only see in magazines. But as she got older, life got busy. Between her 9-to-5 job, endless responsibilities, and the constant pressure to keep up, Sarah put her dreams on hold. She told herself, "I'll get to it when things settle down." But things never did. One day, Sarah came across an old journal. In it were her goals from 10 years ago, dreams she hadn't thought about in ages. As she flipped through the pages, tears streamed down her face. She realized that if she didn't act soon, those dreams would never become reality. That night, Sarah made a decision. She didn't wait for the perfect moment or a grand opportunity. She just started small. She set her alarm 30 minutes earlier, wrote down one goal she wanted to work toward, and committed to taking one tiny step every day. Within 3 months, Sarah had a clear vision of her business idea. Within a year, she launched it. Today, she's living the life she once thought was impossible, all because she stopped waiting and started doing. This is a reminder of Philippians 4:13, which says, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." Sarah's journey shows us that with faith, perseverance, and action, we can accomplish extraordinary things. First, I want to use this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our subscribers. Your continued support has helped this channel greatly, and to our new viewers, welcome. If you're passionate about discovering insights that inspire you to live courageously, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more inspiring content like this. Now that you have liked this video and subscribed, let's continue. 3. Your blueprint for success. Let's break this down into actionable steps you can start today. Remember, waking up to your full potential isn't about making drastic changes overnight. It's about small, consistent actions that build momentum. Step 1. Audit your life. The first step to transformation is awareness. Take a hard look at your life and ask yourself, what's holding me back? What habits, people, or routines are draining my energy? What excuses am I using to avoid taking action? Write these down. When you see them clearly, they lose their power over you. Step 2. Define your vision. The clearer your vision, the stronger your motivation. Create a vivid picture of the life you want. Here's how. 1. Write it down in detail. Imagine your dream day from morning to night. 2. Create a vision board. Fill it with images, quotes, and symbols that inspire you. 3. Set specific, measurable goals. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," say, "I want to earn $100,000 from my business within 2 years." The Bible reminds us in Proverbs 16:3, "Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans." Trust in His guidance as you set your goals and take action. Step 3. Start small. Big goals can feel overwhelming, so start with one tiny action. For example, want to get fit? Start with a 5-minute walk. Want to write a book? Write 100 words a day. Want to start a business? Research your niche for 15 minutes. The key is consistency. Small actions, repeated daily, create extraordinary results. If you've made it this far into the video, it means you're enjoying the content. So why not give this video a thumbs up? It helps us reach more amazing viewers like you and keeps the channel thriving. And if you're new here, don't leave without subscribing to the channel. Your journey with us is just beginning. Here's a little challenge for you. If you've just subscribed, type "I have subscribed" in the comments below. When I see it, I'll drop a heart to show my appreciation for joining the OK Empower family. Now let's dive back in and continue this exciting journey. Step 4. Learn from the greats. Many of history's most successful people began with nothing but determination. Oprah Winfrey was told she wasn't fit for television. Today, she's one of the most influential media figures in the world. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. Colonel Sanders heard no over 1,000 times before his KFC recipe was accepted. Their stories prove that success isn't about avoiding failure, it's about refusing to give up. Remember the promise in Jeremiah 29:11. "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." Their resilience is proof that your journey is also part of a greater purpose. Step 5. Build a resilient mindset. Your mindset determines your success. To build resilience, reframe failures as lessons. Every setback is a stepping stone. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Practice gratitude. Focusing on what you have, rather than what you lack, fuels motivation. 4. The power of action. Here's a truth that can change your life. Action cures fear. Most people wait for confidence before they act. But confidence doesn't come first. Action does. When you take a step forward, no matter how small, you prove to yourself that you're capable. That's where confidence comes from. Remember this quote: "The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step." Your journey starts now. What's one small step you can take today? Write it down. Share it with someone. Commit to it. Here's what I want you to do next. Write one goal in the comments below. Inspire someone else by sharing your first step. Share this message with someone who needs to hear it. You never know whose life you might change. Subscribe to OK Empower for more life-changing insights. Together, we can wake the world up to its full potential. Your time is now. Don't wait another day. Wake up to your greatness and take the first step toward the life you've always wanted. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment which part of the video resonates with you, and see you in our next video.